Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add filters to your products in your Shopify store. So first of all, you want to go ahead to Shopify dashboard and click on online store, and now you're going to click on navigation right there. Now, as you can see, there's menus, but also there is collections and search filters. So if you want to add search filters, um, you want to install this Shopify Search and Discovery application. So let's install it now. And now when you installed it, as you can see, you can edit your existing filters, promote your products, and help your customers find products easily. So maybe let's click customize filters. Now you can add any filter you want. You can either leave it availability or and the price. So let's click on the price, for example. Oh, we cannot edit anything else. So you can add a filter and you can search for like size, vendor tags. It gives me not a lot of options because I don't have many products on my store. It's just like an example store for my YouTube channel. So for example, you can uh, choose a filter you want to add. So like a sizing, for example, and basically all the values of these. You're gonna save it, and now you will have those options. Now, what else we can do here? You can also create a synonym group right here. But yeah, let's look at how my store looks like with the filters. Now, this is how the filters looks like. You can also add some recommendations to your on your store. So for example, you can choose this one, um, this one maybe, and add to recommendations. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.